Charles Darwin, a name synonymous with evolution. Often considered a pioneer, his first steps into the world of science were not purely intentional. Born in the small town of Shrewsbury, England in 1809, Charles Robert Darwin was the fifth of six children in his family. His father, Robert Darwin, was a successful doctor and financier, and his mother, Susanna Darwin, was a daughter of Josiah Wedgwood, a master potter and abolitionist. Darwin's early life was one of curiosity and exploration. As a young boy, he developed an insatiable interest in nature. He was particularly fascinated with the living world and spent countless hours observing and studying the intricacies of plants, animals, and insects. At the age of 16, Darwin was sent to the University of Edinburgh Medicine. However, his interest quickly waned. It was the monotonous lectures and the sight of surgery that turned his stomach. Instead, he found a love for natural history, especially geology and botany. This was a passion that stayed with him throughout his life. Following his time in Edinburgh, Darwin moved to Cambridge to study theology, a decision influenced by his father. Despite the divergence from his natural history interests, Darwin continued to conduct avid observations of the natural world during his time at Cambridge. It was during his journey on the HMS Beagle as the ship's naturalist, where his thoughts on evolution began to take shape. He collected ample evidence throughout the journey that hinted at the concept of evolution, a radical idea at the time. His observations of species in different environments, their variations, and their similarities led him to question the established beliefs of creationism. For over 2 decades, Darwin meticulously gathered evidence, observed, questioned, and theorized. His attention to detail, his relentless pursuit of truth, and his courageous embrace of a radical idea were all instrumental in his work. Finally, in 1859, after years of careful observation and meticulous recording, Darwin published his seminal work on the origin of species. It was a book that even then caused a great deal of controversy. It challenged the deeply entrenched religious and societal beliefs of the time. Regardless, it was met with immense success. Darwin's theories of natural selection and evolution were groundbreaking, a turning point in our understanding of life. Despite the controversy, Darwin remained steadfast in his beliefs. He continued to refine his theories, publish more works, and contribute to scientific discussions until his death in 1882. His legacy, however, lives on. It continues to influence the scientific world and our understanding of life itself, prompting us to question, explore, and continually evolve our knowledge. His groundbreaking work on the origin of species forever changed our understanding of life on Earth.